Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how the candlesticks perform, like the bullishness and bearishness of the candlestick itself, and how you can predict uh, the the direction of the market according to the bullishness and bearishness of the candlestick. So let's get started. As you can see right here, the candlesticks shows the direction of the market as well as the current price action. You can see here that once like here, the doji star, it shows whenever this star occurs at the top, it means that the market will go down, will the prices will decrease. And if it's red, it shows that the market will decrease. But when it's here green, showing when it is the doji stars appear at the bottom end, is green, meaning that the buyers are interested in the market to push the market up. It means that the market will go up. So in this case here, you have to see that the candlestick itself, what is the volume of the candlestick and how will it what will be the direction of the market ahead. So in this case, as you can see here, it's a strong bearish candlestick, which after that it pushed the market down up till this point here. But when this candlestick occur showing a little signs of bullishness, push the market back up. Usually it's a pullback, we call it a pullback. The market got back up at this level, at the previous level, at its previous high, sorry. As you can see here, again the candlestick was bearish, so it pushed the prices down. This was also due to the impact of the coronavirus, like the lockdowns were imposed, so that's why the market got bearish. After this, when the candlestick when the market shows signs of bullishness, which this candle showed, the market got back up, going up. So as you can see here, this bearish candlestick, it pushed the market down. One other thing is, you have to consider, let me show you clearly. Whenever as you see here, in this case, this two candlesticks, you can see these two candlesticks. Actually I will take these three here to show it to you clearly. This candlestick opened right here and closed at this level. This candlestick opened here, got up and came back down here, but the bears pulled it more, pulled it back more and closed right here, closing below the previous day's close. Another this and the same is the case here with this one. This opened between the candlestick and closed below the two of the candlesticks, so the prices dropped down here significantly. As you can see, if this type of candlesticks occur, you have to see that if the market you have to wait for the other candlestick to form. And when the other candle, meaning that if the candlestick forms below this level, meaning that the prices go down. But if like in this case here, it opened at the same level and closed above. So whenever this type of action occurs, it means that the market is going to go up. And I've showed it to you previously on how to buy these type of how to enter in these type of trades, in this type of trend. Like when the market is trending, you have to enter in the second candlestick. But in this case, it's not a if you entered here, although the prices got back up, but who knows how the market will do. Like the prediction is hard, so I'm only showing you tips on how you can do. If you enter it right here, you will come down, but eventually you will go back, the prices will go back up, as in this case here. If you load it again, I will show you this one right here. You can see that this is a strong bullish candlestick, pushed the prices up and then a swing and then got back up till this point. Now you can see here that the prices start to decline here. Again, one of this, it was a strong bearish candlestick like this one, showing signs of bearishness, and again that same pattern as the candlestick opened here and closed below. Again that same candlestick I've showed it to you earlier in this video. This again happened here, opened here and closed here. So at this level but also you have to consider whether in that stock the bulls are interested or the buyers, meaning that the bulls are interested to push the market up or the bears are more interested to pull the market down. So you can see here the bears were more dominant here, pulling the dragging the market down, but right here the the bulls got control of the market and pushed it back up, although it got drop here, but no problem, it got back up till this point right here. Now we will see how this candlestick does, like how will it perform today on over here. So uh, the here the bulls were dominant, but they pushed the market up, but the bears pulled it back down, closing at 21.60 points. So we will have to wait for it. So the other candlestick is formed, so we can know the direction of the market. Although it is showing signs of bullishness by looking at these indicators, the volume is also very also heavy, also very bullish. You can see here that 1 2 3 4 5 days the volume 5 days were bullish for this stock. So we'll have to wait for this candlesticks of how the market will does. Now what will you do in a side trend? Let me show you here. I've showed you the method of trading a side trend. You can trade a side trend by buying below this moving average and selling above the moving average somewhere here. As you can see that it but you can see, you can take a guess from this candlestick. It is a strong bearish candlestick which pushed the market, the prices down. Again you have to wait, you have to be informed of what the market is doing, about the activity in the market, whether the buyers are interested or the bulls the sellers are interested or neither of them. So you will have to consider this as well, of who is more interested in the market. So I've showed it to you in my previous videos how to trade a side trend, so I'm not going to repeat it here. So what you are going to do in a downtrend, let me show you here. In a downtrend like here, you have to put your stop loss in place so you don't lose most of your profit. Like here, it's a strong bearish candlestick and you can see that the indicators also reverse, so you have to place your candlestick place your stop loss here, so you don't lose many of your gains, and lock in your gains and profit from the trade right here. This one, sorry, I messed it up. Let me remove this one. You can see this one candlestick, these two candlesticks. I've showed you how to like enter in these types of markets. If you if you recognize a bearish candlestick at this level, it's good for you, enter the trade and short your stock. But if you are not sure of when to enter, then enter here and short your stock. Although you can sell your close your buy position, your buy order here at this level. As you can see from, you can guess from these previous candlesticks of these were tradings in a side trend showing no signs of bullishness. And you can also see you can place indicators as well which suits you the best. Though I'm not I use these indicators as I'm comfortable with this. You can use any of them you like, which suits you best. So you got to so these were the tips that I showed to you on how to enter these market. When right here, you might be wondering now when to close our short position, or when to close our short, when to close our sell position. Whenever like I told you, when you recognize a bullish pattern here, that the indicators are now becoming a bullish trending in a bullish market, and you have to consider the I'm sorry for the editing. As I've showed it to you in the previous videos of mine, you guys might be wondering when to close your position, like when to close your sell position or short position. What you can do here is, where was that level? Now I forgot. Wait a minute. I guess it was here. Yeah, right here. So you guys might will ask when to close our sell position. Well, you can close your sell position by looking at the by applying the the method that I showed you. When the candlestick opens here below the previous day's close and closes above this one, as in case this one, it shows signs of bullishness. And as the market got back up, gaining strength, and I've showed it to you in the previous videos that when the distance became these the parabolic SAR and the candlestick come closer to each other, it shows that you have to it shows that you can enter the market at that level. But if you're not sure, you can also like enter the market when the other two candlesticks are formed like these one, and the market starts to go back up. But you have to like I've showed it to you in the whenever you want to show close your buy position by placing your stop loss, so you don't lose much of your profit and close your position when you recognize that the market is going down. So about the stop loss and take profit, I'm going to be showing those to you in the future videos of mine of how to place your stop loss and how to place your take profits. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you want to learn more about the stock market, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.